Here you can see I added the loom, wire loom cover going to the battery up to the fuse holder and then back down. Okay, so here is my DSP setup. You can see the numbers that I have and how I have it set up. So here's the tweeter set up there. Here's the mids. Here's the kick panel 6.5. And here's the rear speakers. And then of course the sub isn't hooked up. But you can see the frequencies that I have it set. There's the 6.5 woofers. There's the mids. Yes, that's 350 to 3500. And then the tweeter 3500 to 20,000. So that's what I have it set now. So the nice thing is you can go in and link all the channels with the software so that they all set up. The nice thing is it has the delay calculations on here. So you just gotta set that up. And you just, go to save all your presets. And that's pretty much how I set mine up for the Bronco. I haven't set up a sub yet. That's in the works.